Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be installing these Auxito lights on the Camaro for the license plate. This is the model. And there's 10 in the pack, so we're only going to use 2. Let's go over to the Camaro and we'll start taking the old one out. So you just get in here with the flat head and carefully pry this plastic out. And that's the bulb right here. Just turn it and it should pop out. So we had replaced the stock ones. They were yellow and we replaced it with these LEDs. Pull it out. Put the new one in. Like that. Make sure it turns on before you put the plastic back in. This is a little comparison on the bulb that we had on there before the Auxito. To tell the quality on this bulb is way better than this cheap little eBay bulb. So we're gonna wait until it gets dark so we can show you the difference between these two. There's still one of these bulbs on the passenger side and then the Auxito's on the driver's side of the license plate. So this is the Auxito and that's the other light. You can already see how much brighter this one is from that one. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that bulb with the Auxito one as well. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at YONKE_OXC films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and also use our link down below to get a discount on your lights.